have received many DMs where people are asking me, is it the good time to start bug bounty in 2024? Definitely yes, because initially it was quite easier, like in 2018, 2019. The number of programs in HackerOne, Bugcrowd or in HackImprove were pretty less, but also the number of researchers were also less. So it was kind of a win-win situation. But now with the rise of number of programs in various platforms, there we have huge number of researchers as well. But still there are huge number of vulnerabilities. As Nahamsek mentioned, like there are a huge number of low-hanging fruits like XSS, IDOR, still people are able to find in quite popular applications. So yes, definitely you can start your career in bug bounty still in 2024, but you have to stress more on less automation, but more on business logic bypass related issues. If you'd like to know like what are the top 5 cybersecurity jobs that you can get as a non-tech graduate, then definitely check out my next video. And don't forget to like and share this video with all of your friends. See you in my next video. Cheers.